what's up, guys? My name is Sam, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 facts on plant cells. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications, and leave a like and comment down below this video. Okay, let's get started in today's epic video. Oh yeah. Okay, so fact number 1. Plant cells are very small. If you didn't know now, plant cells are very small. Just like we have cells too, like in animals, all of our cells are small. And pretty much plant cells are green. And if you want to see a plant cell, you would need a microscope, of course, if you know that. You would need a microscope to see it, because it's very small. You need a microscope to see it, and it's going to be like a square shape structure. That's what plant cells are, basically. Okay, fact number 2. Parts of a plant cell. Okay, so I'll be describing to you some parts of a plant cell. One part is the nucleus. The nucleus is the main part of the plant cell, basically. It's like the membrane, like where everything mainly happens, just like the brain of the plant cell. Another one is the cell wall. The cell wall is like a defense around the plant cell to just keep it safe. Inside the cell wall is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a inner cell wall, just like the cell wall, but it's different, and it's kind of squishy. Another part of our plant cell is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, which means it does some work. Another part is chloroplast. Chloroplast helps in the photosynthesis of plant. Photosynthesis is basically when a plant gets light to help it grow. It turns all the energy that it gets into chemical energy so it can help it grow. One more part of a plant cell is the vacuole. Just like the chloroplast, the vacuole also helps in growth. And it's mostly made up of water too. Vacuoles are blue. Moving on to the next fact. Fact number 3. Are plant cells eukaryotic or prokaryotic? Now, if you don't know what this means, prokaryotic means cells that don't have a nucleus. And eukaryotic means cells that have a nucleus. So, plant cells, like I said, if you're paying attention, plant cells have a nucleus, which makes them eukaryotic. For our fourth fact, we will be talking about what it would be like if a plant didn't have a cell. So, if a plant didn't have a cell, the plants would not be existing right now. Because the cell is what keeps the plant alive. And the cell has most of the stuff, like components, that helps the plant grow and live. Without plants, or without like vegetables, you won't be able to eat vegetables. And yeah. So plants are really important to nature, and it makes nature beautiful. So if there wasn't a cell in a plant, it would be likely that a plant wouldn't exist. Everything has a cell inside. Every living thing has a cell. For our final fact, we are talking about animal cell. Now, animal cell is just like a plant cell, but it has a few different things. And I'll be talking about that in my next video, which is going to be about animal cells. Now, an animal cell is also pretty similar to a plant cell because it has a nucleus inside. But since a plant and an animal is different. Of course, they're gonna have different components inside them, and they work pretty different. For example, in order to pretty much get its energy and growth, plant needs the sun, and for food, it just needs water. Unlike animals, the sun also benefits them. But for food, some of them either eat the plants or grass, anything like that, or berries, and some of them eat other animals, basically. So, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications, and leave a like and comment down below. Okay, see you in my next video. Peace.